This is a video for a 5-gallon bucket wire handle replacement. We'll show you how to replace your short wire handle that you find on a typical 5-gallon bucket, and just like this one here, and replace it with a stronger, adjustable length, heavy duty nylon and polyester carrying strap with little hooks that slide right in the slots and looks like something like this. And the strap, yes, extends to 4 feet in length, and you can find it on Amazon and Walmart. And all you have to do is pop off and remove your original wire handle. You could do it with a strong heavy-duty pair of wire clippers. But if you don't have wire clippers, or if you're not strong enough to do that, you could just pop the wire handle off with a standard pair of pliers or vice grips like these. And what you want to do is pop outward the wire handle. And there you go. One side done. Typically that second one should be a little bit easy to pop out. And these carrying straps with the longer length are great to use for apple picking, carrying sports gear, baseballs. Great for fishing or hunting. So there's your hook that you get with our bucket strap, and you just it's kind of got an unusual swivel or a hook on the end that drops right in the hole of your 5-gallon bucket. You drop that into the hole on each side, and it goes in nice and easy and doesn't fall out. And the strap is available at Amazon.com and Walmart.com, and that's all you need to do. This is optional. You could reinforce the hooks on each side of the bucket with a little duct tape. It's recommended just to keep the strap in place and so the hook does not fall out. It's not necessary. And there you go, a heavy-duty adjustable length carrying strap for a 5-gallon bucket.